to register and log into FreeNow? First of all, download the FreeNow app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then simply tap on it and open the FreeNow app on your device. Once there, all you have to do is simply provide your email address and phone number. This will serve as your login and for verification. If you prefer to sign in with email that you have already logged into the FreeNow app, then use this. Prefer to sign in with email and enter your email address and password. Or if you want to register, then go back and type down your phone number and tap on the continue button available there. And a verification code will be sent to your phone number. All you have to do is enter that code and your FreeNow app account will be created easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.